Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce the ePetrel cold email system. On the GitHub download page, you can see it's an all-in-one package for Windows and macOS. Scroll to the bottom and click the download link. I've already downloaded it here. Next, let's extract the downloaded zip file. This package includes a built-in Python environment, making it very convenient for non-technical users without manual configuration. Once extracted, open the folder. You'll find an operation manual inside. Use start.bat for Windows and start_mac.command for macOS. Double-click Start, bat to launch, and click Permit on the security prompt. Wait a moment, and the browser will automatically open the control panel. This is the main system interface. There's a language toggle button at the top. The first part is to import the sender's mailbox. There are two ways. One is to enter them manually, one by one. The other way is to import by uploading a CSV or Excel file. After importing, click this button to verify the mailbox functions. This button is for Gmail API login, using the input boxes to add information. Before adding, configure the API on Google Cloud. See the README for details. Once you have the API, enter the ID and secret here. For demonstration, input the Gmail API ID and secret. Using the API is recommended. Now, let's try logging in using the Gmail API. When the authorization window pops up, click Allow to complete the connection. Once connected, you can see that the sending method has been updated to Gmail API. The weight and reputation of sending via API are essentially the same as sending from the web client. If you're using a 16-digit app password, you can get it directly from the Gmail or Outlook backend. Next, let's see how to batch import senders. Click Choose File and upload the Excel document. Check the Login Verification option, then click the Import Senders button. The verification process takes a few minutes. Please ensure you fill in the information using our template. After a successful import, all verified and active accounts will be displayed in the sender pool. With the senders configured, we'll start importing the target lead list. Select the file and click Preview Leads to confirm the data. As you can see, the lists have been imported. If there are successful delivery records, the sent status will be displayed here. Specifically, in the spreadsheet format we upload, each column actually functions as a variable. We need to configure these column names in the template, where the column name corresponds to the variable name. For instance, name here matches name in the template, and the system will process and send emails based on each row of data. Why set up variables? Because when writing cold emails, we want them to look as authentic as possible and ensure the content is unique. This makes the email appear more polite to the recipient, rather than a generic, automated mass email. Another crucial step is to verify the validity of the email addresses using UseBouncer before uploading your list. This helps exclude invalid addresses that cause bounces. Click this link to access the service. Though it's paid, it's highly necessary. Ensuring the emails are 100% valid is critical, as it directly impacts your sender reputation. Only with a high reputation can your emails reach the primary inbox instead of the spam folder. You can also fill in the unsubscribe link here. This is the area to fill in the unsubscribe link. Gmail requires mass emails to specify an unsubscribe method. However, for cold emails, including an unsubscribe link may cause them to be moved to spam or promotions, so it is recommended to leave this blank. Next is the signature setting. Once filled and saved, the system will automatically include it long-term. Below is the email link suggestion, where the system detects and prompts the length of your content in real time. This is the high-risk word detection feature. For example, typing hello will highlight it in red as it's in the risk word database. Avoid these words to improve deliverability. Additionally, you can click the AI optimization button to refine your email copy using large language models. Here are the API settings and system prompts for configuring the ChatGPT or Claude. To prevent emails from being flagged as spam or marketing, we've introduced AI and variable optimization features. This allows the email content to sound more like it's from a real person for one-on-one communication. The purpose of using multiple variables is to ensure email uniqueness, avoiding detection as mass sending by Gmail or Outlook. Once configured, you can use the Analyze Template and Domains feature to check your sender domain's reputation score. This feature requires server calls. We offer a free service, but we recommend registering a free account on the ePetrel website first. The sender domain is very important. You must correctly configure DNS, DKIM, and other settings to ensure a healthy domain score and avoid being marked as spam. After logging in and authorizing, click Analyze again. The system will generate a detailed deliverability report. In the report, you can see the overall domain score and check results for DMARC, block lists, SPF, and DKIM configurations. We can see the various metric scores for the mailbox. Next, set up flow control, including the minimum and maximum sending intervals. Avoid sending emails in bulk to prevent being flagged as a marketing account by Gmail or Outlook. Otherwise, accounts may be banned or emails classified as spam, severely impacting domain reputation. Setting random rest intervals better protects sending domains during the cold start phase. Enable the Seed Test Inbox feature to monitor how many emails reach the primary inbox. This requires configuring personal emails and passwords to retrieve data. Otherwise, leave it for now. Once configured, click Start Dispatch Queue to begin the process. You can then check the sending status and historical logs in the Security Monitor and Audit Logs menus.